Take the circle and form it into a star.
Snowing indoors. Wraps into a gift.
Whoa, what is this? See, it's actually inside the ice.
How did you do that?
EvanEraTV.com.
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, Evan Era. Today I'm showing you 7 magic tricks for wintertime. So if you're ready, hit that thumbs up button and let's go! Okay, here's a really cool wintertime trick. I have a little piece of tissue paper right here. Also, empty hands, you can see. We have a cup of water, and I also have right here something really cool. This is a fan. I'm going to use this fan to create a little magic with this piece of tissue paper. So we're gonna take the tissue paper and fold it up just like this. And I'm just gonna dunk it down in the water just a little bit like so. You can see? Now look, you take the fan and the paper, if we just squeeze it a little, watch. Begin to create a magic snowstorm. Snowing indoors. All right, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal a secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. Okay, here's how you do the magic snowstorm in China trick. So this comes with everything you need to do the trick. It is available now at EvanEraTV.com. This is our new merch drop, just in time for winter, in time for the holidays, and in time for snow season. It comes with a bunch of these little packets. You hide one of these in your hand. Obviously, you're gonna need a fan with it, or something that you can wave to create some wind to propel it up in the air. And this pretty much does all the work for you. You're gonna take a piece of tissue paper, you just crumble this up. The dipping it in the water and everything is just kind of misdirection for what you're doing here. You're gonna take this and you're gonna push this out in your hand, and what this is a packet of a bunch of tiny little pieces of confetti. It is thousands of little pieces of paper. Now you're gonna take the fan and just fan this upward, and all of these are gonna flutter through the air, and it really does look like a snowstorm. It's so beautiful. It's a perfect trick to do on stage or in like a parlor act, or if you're on the street or in your house. It really is a beautiful effect wherever you are. Head over to EvanEraTV.com now and pick up the magic snowstorm trick. These are gonna sell out quick. Order now in time to get your stuff for the holidays, and get this trick before they sell out. Okay, I have a cool coin trick to show you. Also have a ball of ice, as you can see. Now watch, if we take the coin and set it on the ball of ice like this, watch, if I just rub and squeeze, it looks like it goes inside the ball of ice.
How do you do
Just like that. See it? Here, you can hold it. And see, it's actually inside the ice, you know what I mean? And that is the magic coin into the ice ball trick. Stay tuned for the secret. This is a trick that we invented just for this video. So to start with, what you're going to need is 2 duplicate coins. One's gonna go inside your ice ball and the other one's going to be loose. So you're gonna start out by boiling some water. That's to make the ice as clear as possible. And then you're going to get a spherical ice mold like this. You're gonna fill the mold up halfway and freeze it. So once the mold is set up and you have the ice frozen halfway, you're going to take the coin, place it right here, and then we're gonna fill the rest up with water. Now we're gonna take the top half of the mold and we're gonna use this to displace the water so that it makes a perfect sphere. Now once this is fully frozen, you're just gonna carefully remove the silicone top, and the ice ball should pop out just like this. And as you can see, our coin is now frozen inside. So you can present it like this. Say, check it out, I have a ball of ice here, and I also have a coin. Watch what happens. We just set the coin like this, and then you're just gonna roll it in your hands and expose the coin like so, while at the same time finger palming the other coin. This is super cool. It's called Foam Alive, and this is the winter white version, and it looks exactly like snow. It's like a magic snow. So cool. It's mesmerizing. You can just watch it slowly fall like that. It's so visual. It looks like it's just coming alive. It's super cool. I actually haven't played with this before, so this is the first time you're seeing. Oh wow, that's so cool. Oh, it feels weird. It's soft. This is super neat. Stay tuned for the end of the video if you want to win this in a giveaway. I'm gonna give away a package of this alive snow. Whoa, that is weird. So you could use this for a trick in some way. Okay, check this out. This is the magic snowball trick. So I take the snowball, set it on the table, and watch what happens. It just magically melts just like that. Completely disintegrates, but it actually doesn't really melt. Whoa, what is this? Looks like it's alive. Okay, Sasha, I have a cool trick to show you. It's like a challenge with this blindfold, but I need you to put it on. So if you would just blindfold yourself. I also have a pack of matches here, which will come into play in just a second. So put the blindfold on, and then if you would, hold your hand out. Perfect, just like that. So I'm going to take the match and light it.
Wait, what are you gonna do with it?
Don't worry. Did you hear it light?
Yeah? What are you gonna do?
Can you smell the match?
Yes.
Okay, so. Alright, just hold out your hand. Trust me.
I don't trust you at all.
Okay, this one is super easy, and it is an absolute mind blow for the person that you're doing it for. So all you need is some matches and some ice and a blindfold. They're gonna hear the sound of the match lighting, they'll smell the match, and all of those senses working together, along with your brain's inability to distinguish the difference between cold and hot, is gonna make the person think that they just got burned with the match. So you're gonna take it, touch it to their hand, and what they think is the match head is actually just the tip of the ice cube, because it takes your brain a second to process the difference between extreme hot and extreme cold. If you're a kid, obviously you'll need adult supervision anytime you use fire. Other than that, have some fun and try it out at home. Okay, Ava, it's the first night of Hanukkah, as you know. I have a cool trick to show you. See, I have a box here, right? It's just a normal brown cardboard box. Watch if I just take it. Okay, here is the secret to the magic gift wrap trick. Everyone knows the winter season is synonymous with the holidays. You've got Hanukkah, you've got Christmas, you've got Kwanzaa. So we came up with this trick just for this video. It's a really simple concept. One side of the box is just normal cardboard like this, and then the other side, the other three sides of it, are gift wrapped with a bow on top. So you just have this side, and this side covered, and the other side's exposed, and you want to tape it in place on the edges, and just make sure you're holding it like this, and you're gonna bring this hand over for cover and movement as you just flip the box over. Once you have it set up, you can repeat the trick over and over. A perfect illusion for the holiday season. Here's what you need to pull off this prank. This one's super easy. You need a fake tongue and some super glue, and you need something to glue it to. It works really well with like a metal pole or a metal gutter, something that if you actually licked it with your tongue when it was really cold outside, it would get stuck to it. Then you're just going to glue the tongue in place, little dab of super glue there, and let it set, and it gives the illusion that your tongue is just frozen to the wall. It looks so gross and so realistic. So you can set this prank up and just stand here, wait for somebody, or you can yell for somebody to come and help you. Okay, check this out. I have a metal circle right here. Look, nothing in my hands. Watch what happens. And check this out. Form it into a star just like that. It's a Hanukkah star. Hanukkah is right around the corner, so if you celebrate Hanukkah, this would be a great trick to perform, and we actually have these available now at EvanEraTV.com. This thing is pretty much self-working. It's made in such a way where if you apply pressure to the hinges, it will allow you to shape it into a circle or a star, depending on what routine you're doing. Super easy to perform and extremely visual. Head over to EvanEraTV.com today and pick one up. Okay, see the little green silk? All right, watch. I take it like this, and I'm gonna stuff it into my hand. You can see it going in. Watch. Look, if I just squeeze, it turns.
How did you do that?
Okay, here is the secret to the magic silk to frog trick. This comes with everything you need. This is one of our new products available at EvanEraTV.com. Comes with the little green silk, comes with full instructions, and the little frog, which has a hole in the bottom. You just stuff the silk inside. That is the entire secret. You just conceal this in your hand, and then boom, you magically make a frog appear. Head over to EvanEraTV.com and pick one up today. All right, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone you think might like it too. If you like the show, please help the channel grow and consider sharing our channel or one of your favorite videos from our channel on your Facebook, your Twitter, your YouTube, and be sure to leave a thumbs up and a comment down below. We have new magic plushies available now at EvanEraTV.com. We have the magic prank snake. We also have 2 different colored big dragons like this and the little tiny dragon. He's a perfect stocking stuffer gift. So you can get the snake and all the dragons available now at EvanEraTV.com. Perfect gifts for the holidays. Be sure to head over to EvanEraTV.com. That is our online shop. You can get a lot of the new products that you saw in this video, like the Circle to Star trick, the magic plushes are in there, the Silk to Frog trick, and the magic Snowstorm are all available now as well. And if you order now, you should get your things in time for Christmas. So head over to the link in the description, EvanEraTV.com. It's our small family business. Thank you so much for all the support, and new products coming soon. And it is giveaway time. I'm giving away all the magic props from this video. If you want to win any of the props in the video for free, all you have to do is leave a comment on the video and tell me which trick was your favorite. Leave your comment in the comment section. I'll go through the comments, pick a random comment, and mail the magic out to you. And it's time to announce our winners from our last How To Magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen here. Congratulations to our winners. If you won that giveaway, be sure to send your full mailing address to this email address on the screen to claim your prize. Until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.